Fujifilm has officially confirmed that the X-Pro series is alive and well. The long-awaited X-Pro 6 is now in development, with the company reaffirming its commitment to the series. This isn't the first time they've addressed it. Similar reassurances were made at the recent CP event, but now it's coming straight from a senior executive, Yuji Igarashi, which adds more weight. The X-Pro line has always held a unique place in Fujifilm's lineup. It's not just another digital camera, it's a hybrid rangefinder that combines both optical and electronic viewfinders, appealing especially to street photographers and documentary shooters. It's a tool that supports a slower, more thoughtful approach to photography, which is why the long silence after the X-Pro 3 left many enthusiasts concerned. But now, Fujifilm says the next model is not only on its way, it's going to bring meaningful upgrades. While details remain limited, expectations are already forming. Potential features for the X-Pro 6 could include an upgraded hybrid viewfinder with better clarity, enhanced low-light performance, a more compact body without compromising durability, and improved weather sealing. Autofocus performance is expected to be faster and more intuitive, and a redesigned screen, likely tilting, not flipping, could improve usability without sacrificing the minimalist aesthetic. Battery life might also see a boost, though likely not at the cost of increasing the camera's size. When it comes to pricing, rising production costs and potential next-gen tech suggest a launch price between $1,999 and $2,199 USD. If Fujifilm positions this model as a flagship creative tool rather than a general-use camera, the final price might even exceed that range. One curious point: there won't be an X-Pro 4. The number 4 is considered unlucky in some cultures, which could explain the leap to 6. Marketing considerations may also play a role, and despite confirmation of the X-Pro 6, it won't be arriving in 2025. Current estimates suggest a 2026 release, meaning fans will need to be patient. Why the delay? Sales of the X-Pro 3 didn't meet expectations. Its innovative hidden LCD screen aimed to encourage viewfinder use but ended up frustrating users who found it inconvenient and unintuitive. Fujifilm is likely taking this time to rethink the X-Pro's design and realign it with user needs. The lesson from the X-Pro 3 is clear: innovation should enhance function, not limit it. Future models need to provide a balance between classic charm and modern usability. A well-designed, practical display, whether tilting or fixed, is essential, as is responsive autofocus and performance in challenging lighting conditions. The X-Pro series serves a niche audience: photographers who value a tactile, deliberate shooting experience. Unlike the more versatile XT series, the X-Pro line is built with specific users in mind. But this focus comes with risks. The X-Pro 3 leaned heavily on its retro appeal, and Fujifilm must now ensure the X-Pro 6 delivers both style and substance. Taking extra time gives Fujifilm a chance to refine its vision and avoid repeating past mistakes. Meanwhile, fans of the series might consider other Fujifilm cameras like the XT line, which offers a more conventional shooting experience. In short, the X-Pro 6 is real and under active development. While no official launch date or specs have been confirmed, it's clear Fujifilm is listening and wants to get it right. And while Fujifilm plans for 2026, another company is making waves much sooner. Panasonic appears to be reviving its LX line, and if early reports are true, the LX103 could shake things up in the compact camera world. Rumors suggest it will feature a 20-megapixel micro four thirds sensor, possibly the same found in Panasonic's latest Lumix cameras. That's a major leap for a compact camera and could finally close the performance gap with smartphones. Panasonic is also reportedly sticking with Leica optics, updating the 24 to 75mm f1.7 to 2.8 lens for improved sharpness and reduced chromatic aberration, all while keeping the lens compact. For street shooters and travel photographers, this could be a dream setup. Autofocus, long a weak point in earlier LX models, may also see a major update. There's talk of Panasonic replacing its older system with full phase detection, significantly improving performance when tracking moving subjects. Video capabilities are getting a serious bump too. Rumors point to 4000 at 60 FPS, and vlog-friendly features like articulating screens and pro-level color profiles. The electronic viewfinder might get upgraded to over 3.6 million dots, offering a sharper, more immersive experience. Perhaps most intriguing is the speculation that Panasonic is developing a broader ecosystem around the LX103. This could include modular accessories, cloud integration, and companion apps approaching the compact camera as more than just a standalone device. And there's even talk of computational photography features that allow post-shot adjustments to depth of field and focus, something that could rival smartphone capabilities in a new way. If Panasonic delivers, the LX103 could be more than just a nostalgic comeback. It could redefine what compact cameras are capable of in the modern era. So, whether you're eyeing the future X-Pro 6 or curious about Panasonic's bold new direction, one thing is clear: 2025 and 2026 could be very exciting years for photography enthusiasts.